How to fix the Facebook Messenger loading error on Android. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Facebook Messenger loading error problem on your Android device. So let's get started. First, check if your Messenger app is updated. Open the Play Store and search for Messenger. If you see an update button, tap it to update the app. If it says open, you can leave it as it is. Next, go to your device settings. Scroll down and select apps. In the top right corner, select for Messenger. Under uses, tap on storage, then select clear cache. If you remember your Messenger login credentials, your ID and password, you can also choose clear data. After that, go back and select force stop, then confirm by tapping OK. Finally, restart your device. This should resolve the loading error. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.